and record.
Good morning, children. Today I am going to revise integers entire lesson for essay for PA1, periodic assessment 1. So integer means how can define integers? 0, positive, and negative. 0, positive and negative numbers are called integers. So how can we represent integers on the number line? If you take number line, integers are indicated by the letter Z. Z comes from the German word Zahlen. Z comes from the German word Zahlen. Zahlen means to count. Zahlen means to count. In between 0, right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers. So, good morning, children. Today I am going to revise integers entire lesson for 7th standard periodic assessment 1. Periodic assessment 1. Carefully observe here. If you observe this entire lesson means entire chapter will be covered. So first definition, integers. So how can define integers? 0, positive and negative numbers are called integers. 0, positive numbers 1, 2, 3 are right side positive numbers and left side negative numbers. So 0, positive and negative numbers are called integers. So integers are indicated by the letter Z. There are two reasons for integers are indicated by the letter Z. One is the integers positive and negative numbers are separated by 0. So integers we can start with 0, positive and negative. So these integers are 0 based numbers. 0 based numbers. 0 means numbers. The letter starts from 0. Z-E-R-O. 0. The letter starts from 0. That means 0. The word Z-E-R-O 0. So that's why integers are indicated by the letter Z. This is one reason. One more technical reason and official from the books they are taken. The reason is Z come from the German word which means Zahlen. Zahlen means to count. Zahlen means to count. So this is the number line for integers. So in this integer we are going to see some questions. So here least positive number or least counting number is 1. So and -1 is greatest negative integer. The greatest negative integer is -1. So we can say like this. So all properties you know very well. All the properties we can go through the book. So generally what we can say, first property A and B are any two integers, then A plus B also an integer. This is called closure property. What we can say this one? Closure property. Closure means what is that? 2 and 3 are any two numbers. 2 and 3 are any two integers. Then 2 plus 3 that equal to 5 also an integer. This is closure property. Now second one is commutative property. What is meant by commutative property? A plus B equal to B plus A. A plus B equal to B plus A. This is called commutative property under addition. 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3, 5 equal to 3 plus 2, 5. So A plus B equal to B plus A. This is called a commutative property. And the third one is A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. This is, there are three variables or the three integers A, B and C, or any three integers then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. If you take any example means 2 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5. Now 2 plus 3 plus 5 8 equal to 2 plus 3 5 plus 5. Now 8 plus 2 10 equal to 10. So this is A plus B plus C means this is associative property. This is A plus B means B plus C. What property it is? It is commutative property, and symbol what is that? Under addition. Under addition. Now one more is there. A plus 0. A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A. If you add any number to the 0, 0 plus A, that equal to A. Here 0 is called 0 is additive identity. 0 is additive identity. For this example, 3 plus 0, that equal to 3. 4 plus 0, that also 4. 4 plus 0, that also 4. Now if you go for addition and integers, next additive integer and additive inverse. Integer and additive inverse. Integer additive inverse. For example, integer A, for this additive inverse is minus A. 3 for this additive inverse minus 3. Minus 7 for this additive inverse 7. Minus 7. So 75 for this additive inverse minus 75. If you add integer and additive integer, A plus of minus A, that equal to plus into minus A, that equal to 0. So integer and additive integer, if you add this both means what will happen? The result will be 0. The result will be 0. Integer and additive integer, both if you add means what will happen? The result will be 0. The result will be 0. Now there are 4 basic operations are there. What are the 4 basic operations? Plus into plus equal to plus. Plus into plus equal to plus. Minus into minus equal to plus. If any two same symbols, plus into plus plus, minus into minus also plus. If one plus one minus came means we get the answer minus. Plus into minus, that equal to minus. Minus into plus, that also. Here what we observe here, if two same symbols we can multiply means either 2 positive or 2 negative, we get the plus symbol. 1 plus 1 minus, plus into minus, that equal to minus, minus into plus, that equal to plus. These are the 4 important basic fundamental operations. Okay. Now we go for magic square. What is meant by magic square? In a magic square means what is that? If you take one example, when you say this is magic square, this is row 1, first row, second row, third row. Sum of this all the elements are equal. Sum of all the elements of row 1 are equal. Sum of all the 3 elements of row 2 also equal. Sum of row elements of R3, row 3, that is third row, also equal. Then come to the column 1, column 2, column 3. Now sum of all the elements of column 1, sum of the elements of column 2, sum of the elements of column 3, and diagonals D1, this is corner element, this is diagonal 1, or this also you can take it as diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. If you add, there are three things we need to add. One is all the rows, all the columns and two diagonals. The sum of all the diagonals or sum of the columns and sum of the rows are equal, then we can say that the given square is the given square is a magic square. If any one is not equally k, means it is not a magic square. It is not a magic square. So we can take one example. 6 minus 2 minus 4. 6 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 4 minus 4 2 0 minus 2 2. If you take like this, means what will happen? First we go for R1, first row. First row, what are the elements are there? This is first row. So 6 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 4. Now this 2 can simplify first. Plus into minus. So already previously we are using the operations. Plus into minus, minus 2, plus into minus, minus 4. Now this 2 added. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, what will happen? 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So R1 first row what will came? First one, sum of the all elements of 6 minus 2 minus 4. The sum of all the elements in row 1 is 0. Now second row what will happen? Second row means what are the elements are there? Minus 6 plus 4 plus 2. Now this 2 simplify means minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 means 0. Minus 2 plus 2 means the result is 0. So second row also we get a 0. Now we go for third row. Third row, what are the elements in third row? 0 minus 2 plus 2. 0 plus of minus 2 plus 2. Now 0 plus into minus, minus 2 plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2, 0. So R1, R2, R3. The sum of 3 rows are 0. Now we go for column 1, C1. Column 1 means what is that? This vertical is column. So minus 6, 6 plus of minus 6 plus 0. That equal to 6 plus into minus, minus 6 plus 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Now column 2. So column 2 what is that? Minus 6. Now column 2, minus 2, 4, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 plus of minus 2. That equal to this 2 simplify first. So 4 minus 2, 2 plus into minus, minus 2. That equal to 0. Now we go for column 3. Column 3 means what is that? This is the column 3. So minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2 plus 2. So this 2 simplify means minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. So R1, R2, R3 also 0. C1, C2, C3 also 0. Sum of rows, sum of columns are becomes to 0. Now we go for diagonal 1. Diagonal 1 means this is diagonal 1. 0 plus 4 plus of minus 4. That equal to 0 plus 4, 0. 0 plus 4, 4 plus into minus, minus 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Now diagonal 2 what will happen? 6, 4, 2. 6 plus 4 plus 2. 6 plus 4 plus 2. Everything plus only. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. And this alone, 12 is not equal to 0. Remaining all first row 0, second row 0. Third row also 0, third row result also 0, column 1, column 2, column 3 also 0, and the diagonal 1 is 0, diagonal 1 is 0, but diagonal 2 is not equal to 0. So the diagonal 2 is not equal to 0. So result what we can write? Therefore it is not a magic square. It is not a magic square. It is not a magic square, we can write like this. So sum of rows, sum of columns and diagonal 1, diagonal 2, all the sum of 0 equal means then we can say that it is a magic square. In this case, it is not a magic square. Carefully we can add these ones, then only we can say that whether it is magic square or not. Magic square or not. If plus into minus, what will happen? Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Like this we can use the 4 operations and we can simplify the values. Simplify the values. Next, in this one, verify the results like this. One more division is there. Next model, verify that a minus of minus b equal to a plus b. A plus b. For example, a equal to 20, b equal to 10. B equal to 10. So we want to verify the results. Verify the results. Now a equal to, now LHS we want to take LHS. LHS means what is that? Left hand side. Left hand side, what is the condition? A minus of minus b. That means a value, what is that? 20 minus of minus 10. That equal to 20 minus into minus plus 10. That equal to 30. LHS equal to 30. If you go for RHS, what will happen? What is RHS? The condition of RHS is a plus b. A is 20 plus 10, that equal to 30. So LHS is 30, RHS also 30. Therefore, LHS left hand side value equal to RHS right hand side value. Therefore, 30 equal to 30, that equal to 30. So it is, both are equally came. Therefore, our results will be, given condition is verified. The given condition is verified. If same model, if you take one more example, a equal, second sum in this one, a equal to 25 and b equal to 15. B equal to 15. Now LHS, what is that? LHS equal to a minus of minus b. LHS, what is that? A minus of minus b. Now a value 25 minus of minus 15. 25, here operation we are using minus into minus plus 15. Here no symbol means, here a bracket means what is that? Of multiplication. Now 25 plus 15, 40. So LHS is 40. Now if you go for RHS condition, or right hand side, right hand condition, what is that? What is the right hand condition? A plus b. A plus b. What is a value? A value is 25 and b value is 15. A plus b, that equal to a value 25 plus b value 15. 25 plus 15, that equal to 40. That equal to 40. Now RHS value also 40. Therefore, finally what we can write? LHS equal to RHS, that equal to 40. LHS equal to RHS equal to 40. Now LHS condition, a minus of minus b equal to a plus b. Both are equally came. Therefore, what is the final result? The given condition is verified. The given condition is verified. Then we can write the less than, greater than symbols. Already we did in exercise sums. All the exercise sums you can go through it. A 1.1, every sum you can work out, and all the properties also we discuss. Properties also we discuss, isn't it? Now, if you go for additive identity, in this additive identity, 0 is called additive identity. 0 is called additive identity. And one more model is there. Sum of numbers is, sum of pair is minus 3, like this they will ask some questions. Sum difference, like this they will ask the question. For that we are going to give different examples for the 1 mark or small question. Write down next model question. Write down a pair Write down a pair of integers, write down a pair of integers. First question is sum is 0. First question is sum is 0. If it pair means what is that? What is meant by pair? Pair means 2. So if you take two integers, the two integer sum is 0. If you take any integer, minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 plus 3, 0. Minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 7 plus 7 also 0. We can take like this. The difference, next one is, difference is minus 7. Difference means what is that? If you add the two numbers means the difference should be, what will come? Minus 5 will come. So difference is minus 7 we need to get. So 17 minus of minus 10. Now what will happen? Minus 17, minus into minus, minus into minus, 17 minus into minus plus 10. So here minus 17 plus 10. That means minus 17 plus 10. 10 minus 7 minus 0, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is minus 7. The result is minus 7. So difference of two integers is get minus 7. Minus 17 minus of minus 10. So minus 17 one integer, minus 10 one integer. You can take any like this, any number we can take, but the difference what we will get? 17 we need to get. Okay. Now we can take minus 19 minus of minus 12. Now minus 19 minus into minus plus 12. Now minus 19 plus 12. 9 minus 2, 7. The answer is minus 7. The answer is minus 7. If we take like this, so we can write any integers we can write like this. So first one what they given? Sum is 0. If you take minus 3 plus 3, it is 0. Minus 5 plus 7, 0. Like this, take any example. Then difference of minus 7. Difference is minus 7. So if you take any numbers, minus 17 minus of minus 10, that equal to minus 17 minus into minus plus 10 equal to minus 17 plus 10. Different symbol means what we can do? We go for subtraction. First we need to write a greater number, then smaller number. We can different symbols means we can subtract from 7 minus 0, 7. We can put greater symbol. The answer is minus 7. Similar one more example, minus 19 minus of minus. This difference means we can use the symbol minus. Minus 19 minus of minus 12. Minus 19 minus into minus plus 12. Minus 19 plus 12. Different symbols means we go for subtraction, and after getting the subtraction we get the greater symbol. Now in this next Roman, write a pair of integers whose difference is 8. Now like this we can do the sums. And in this one more question they will chance to ask one third model is sum is minus 8. Sum is minus 8. For example, if you want add a pair of integers, the result will be get minus 8. That means minus 3 plus of minus 5. That equal to minus 3 plus into minus 5. Both are negative numbers. So minus 3 minus 5. Both are same symbols. We can add and keep the same symbol. So what is the answer came? If you take two numbers, two integers, minus 3 and minus 5, sum of these two integers what we will get? We will get minus 8. Similarly, minus 1 plus of minus 7. Any integers we can take. Minus 1 plus into minus, minus 7. So both are negative values, minus 1, minus 7, minus 8, and keep the symbol. We can add these two numbers and keep the minus symbol. So like this we can take the examples, isn't it? Now in second Roman, different sums are there. What are the different sums we discussed in a book also we discussed. Write a pair of integers whose pair of negative integer whose difference is 8. We want to take negative integers. So negative integer and the difference is, what we will get? Difference should be 8. What is that? Second Roman A question. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference is 8. So difference is 8. We want to take negative numbers. We want to take negative numbers minus 10, and for 10 negative numbers we want to take. Write a pair of negative integer whose difference is 8. 10 minus 18. Look at here, minus 10 is a negative number, minus 18 also a negative number. Now minus 10 minus into minus plus 18, plus 18 minus 10, 10 minus 0, 8 minus 0, 8, 0, symbol is plus 8. So like this we can write the different types of numbers. And then third question, quiz sum is there. In this third question, quiz sum, what is that? If you want to add all the things. So in third question what they are asking, the team A score, team A and team B. There are two teams are there. Team A score is minus 40, 10, 0. So if we add means minus 40 plus 10 plus 0, minus 40, 10 plus 0, 10, minus 40 plus 10, minus 30. How can write minus 40 plus 10? 0, 4 minus 1, 3, minus. So we can write final team A score is minus 30, and team B score, what is that? Team B is 10, 0, minus 40. 10, 0, minus 40. If we add means 10 plus 0 plus of minus 40. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 into 0, 0. If any number adding with 0 means what will get? Same number will come. So A into 0 means that is 0. Remember that. A plus 0, same number A. That plus into minus, minus 40. Now minus 40 plus 10. Here no symbol means what is the meaning? Plus 10. Plus. So different symbol means we go for subtraction. 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, and minus 30. So after ending of this column, team A got minus 30 marks and team B also got minus 30 marks. And then this fill in the blanks you know very well. And then multiplication of integers. How can multiply the two integers? This is the very, very important concept. We need to multiply two integers. How can multiply two integers? So by using the 4 operations. Multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. In this multiplication of integers, generally we can say first 2 numbers, then 3 numbers and 4 numbers. Like this we can see so many numbers. First one is A into minus A into B plus C. Here no symbol means minus. Plus minus into plus minus AB. So minus 3 into 2. Now what will happen? Minus into plus. Minus 3 2s are 6. Minus A into minus B. Minus A into minus B. Minus into minus. Plus A into B. AB. Minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus. Plus 2 3s are 6. Like this. This is the first formula. Like this we can write different formula. Next third one, minus a into, otherwise a into minus b, that equal to plus into minus, minus a into b, ab. Now for this what will happen, 3 into minus 2 plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, we can write like this. Okay. Next, 3 into minus 2. Now general example, see, 3 into minus 2, what will happen, plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6, minus 3 into minus 5, minus 3 into minus 5, what will happen, minus into minus plus 5 3 5s are 15, minus p into minus q, minus into minus plus p into q, pq. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1. Like this we can write the multiplication by two numbers. Now multiplication by three numbers, what we can do, multiplication by three numbers, multiplication by three numbers. So first one, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So here there are three numbers are there. First these two multiplied, minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1. So these two results is 1 into minus 1. Now here what is the symbol, plus, plus into minus, minus 1 1s are 1. So this is the result. So 1 2 3, three numbers are there, means what is the answer will come, 3 5 7, like this odd numbers. So like this odd numbers came, means minus 1 odd times multiplied, means we get the odd. Even number means what will happen, you will get a plus, that means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Here how many numbers are there, there are 4 numbers are there. So even number, the answer is 1. The answer, what is the answer for this, 1. Can you check like this, minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1 into minus plus 1. So again these two plus into plus, plus 1 1s are 1. So in minus 1, here minus 1 how many times are there, there are 3 times, is minus 3 is multiplying by the, minus 1 is multiplied by 3 times, so answer is minus 1. So 3 5 7, like this numbers came, means we get the answer minus 1. Here minus 1 4 times we get the answer. So 4 means what is that, 2 4 6 8 even numbers is there, means answer is plus 1. So this is for minus 1 there, means not like this. If you get, if you have general numbers, general integers, means what will happen, for example 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. Now first what we can do, there are 3 numbers are there. Before multiplying the numbers we need to find operations. So we need to symbols. Here what is the symbol, plus, plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6 into minus 1. Now again go for symbol. This 2 multiply means we get one value, and this value we can take down. So again there are 2 numbers are there, minus into minus plus 6 1s are 6, like this we can do. Now similarly we go for 4 numbers, minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. Here totally how many numbers are there, here how many numbers are there, there are 4 numbers are there. If you go for multiply, if you multiply 4 numbers, means what will happen, first 2 and then next 2. Now before that we can check the symbol, minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12 into minus plus 2 1s are 2. Now plus into plus, plus 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24. We can check like this, isn't it? Now next one, multiplication by 0, multiplication by 0. Now multiplied by 0 means what will happen, a into 0 equal to 0, 3 into 0 equal to any number multiply with 0 means what answer will get? 0. Minus 5 into 0, that equal to 0. Minus 6 into 0, that also 0. Now based on this we can see one more example. Minus 3 into 0 into 5. So in the multiplication between what we can observe? We can observe 0. Now minus 3 into 0, 0 into 5. 0 into 5. In between any number came means we get the answer 0. See, minus 35 into 45 into 27 into 85 into 0 into 754. So this much calculation is there, this much big calculation is there. For this, what is the answer? In the product, what we observe here? We observe the value 0 in between the multiplication. So when we are going to multiply the different values, in between we can observe a single value as a 0, then the entire result answer, what is that? The answer, the entire results will be 0. So from conclusion what we can say? A into 0 equal to 0 into A. This is the very very important multiplication of integers. Then minus A into 0, that also 0. Minus A into 0, that also 0. Now in multiplication some properties are there. What are the properties? Multiplication properties are there. In this property, A into 1 equal to 1 into A equal to A. Here 1 is called multiplicative identity. 1 is called multiplicative identity. Then A into B equal to B into A. This property is called a commutative property under commutative property under multiplication. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Here any three integers are there means what you can say? This is associative property under multiplication. Associative property under multiplication. Now one more important property is there. There are distributive property. Distributive property, very very important topic. Distributive property. A, B, C are any integers. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So this is the distributive property. So they are using some question. By using some property we can simplify. 3 into 5 plus 2. We can do directly 3 plus 5 plus 2, 7. 7 3s are 21. But not like this. By we are going to use some property. So how can use this property? 3 into 5 plus 3 into 2. So we need to apply some property. Then they are asking in the question itself, use some property, simplify 3 into 5 plus 2. 3 into 5 plus 2. Children carefully write the symbols. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 2s are 6. 15 plus 6 21. 3 like this we can simplify by using the distributive property under addition. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive property under addition. One more property, one more distributive property is there. That is nothing but A into B minus C equal to A into B minus C. This is A into B and this one minus A into C. This is another distributive property under subtraction. Distributive property under subtraction. A into B minus C. So we can take one example. 7 into 29, one sum is there. In our book one sum is there. 7 into 29. Now 7 into 29 how can write? 30 minus 1. A into B minus C. Now A into B, 7 into 30 minus 7 into 1, that equal to 7 3s are 210 minus 7, that equal to 203. Like this we can write the answer. Distributive property under subtraction. So if you write one more example for this, 3 into 21, 3 into 21, or directly we can write 3 into 7 minus 2. 3 into 7 minus 2, we need to apply the distributive property under subtraction. So here A into B minus C. So A into B minus A into C. A into C. 3 into 7 minus 3 into 2. That means 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6, that equal to 21 minus 6, that equal to 15. So 7 minus 2, generally we did with 7 minus 2, 5 3s are 15 without using property. But they will ask, you should write using some properties. So different properties we are going to use and simplify this type of questions. Now so in exercise 1.3, some different multiplication also there, and verifying the results also there. That also very important. First two questions, and determine the integer with product is minus 1. And look at the third Roman. What they are saying, 1 2 3 Romans are very important, and fourth Roman is we go for using, we are going simplify by using the properties. 7 into 50 minus 2, these are all the very important questions. You can go through it. Any one common means we can take common, and then simplify means we want to simplify. And ninth Roman, if you come to the ninth Roman by page number 22 means what will happen? Replace the blank. So minus 3 into dash equal to 18, minus 5 into dash equal to 25, minus dash into minus 5 equal to 50. Like this they will give some examples. Now what we can do, this type of examples. So 3 table, check it. Here 18 is there, plus 18 is there. Here what is the symbol? Minus. So definitely minus into minus equal to plus. Now 3 table, check it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. Now check it. Minus into minus plus, 3 6 are 18. So what is the answer for this? Minus 6 is the blank. We want to fill the blank. Now minus 5 into some integer, we get the plus 25. So what is the operation? Minus into minus plus. So here 5 is there, 5 5s are 25. Minus into minus plus, 5 5s are 25. So what is the answer for this? Minus 5 is the answer. Now look at here. Here if you take minus 50. Now here any number is, any integer is there. Here if you feel plus means plus into minus. So plus into minus, that equal to minus. So definitely the integer will be plus. And 5 table, here one number is there, 5 table is there, 5 tens are 50. So here you can write 10. Plus into minus, 10 5s are 50. So what is the answer for this? 10. Answer is 10. We can write the answer like this. Okay. So these are the different problems in multiplication. So property, distributive property, carefully do it. And then minus 5 into minus 10 plus minus 10 into minus 10. They will give like this. Now what will happen? Here two numbers, here two numbers are there. So any number in this two, any common is there. Here minus 5, minus 10, minus 10, minus 5. So if you observe means what is the common thing? Minus 10 is the common is there. So in this two, what is the remaining number? Minus 5. Here what is the operation? Plus. In this one minus 10 we took outside, then here minus 10. Now what will happen? Minus 10, minus 5, plus into minus, minus 10. Now minus 10, this two add it, minus 10, minus 5. So minus 15. After that we need to multiply. Minus into minus, plus 15 tens are 150. 15 tens are 150. Like this we want to simplify. Minus into minus, plus 10 5s are 50, plus 10 tens are 100. That means 150. This is general multiplication, and this is by using the property. Here what property we are going to apply? A into B plus A into C they given. For this what you can write? A into B plus C, or A into B minus C, we are going to write the property. So in this one minus into minus, plus, plus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. So we are going to apply these properties by using in multiplication. Now similarly we go for division. Division by 0 is not possible. Next one is division. Division by 0 is not possible. So here one important process is there. Division is the reverse process, reverse operation of multiplication. Reverse process of multiplication. So division is nothing but what is that? The reverse process of multiplication. For example, 2 into 3 equal to 6. What is this? 2 3s are 6. Next, 6 divided by 3, that equal to 2. So division is the process, inverse process of multiplication. So 2 into 3 equal to 6, 6 divided by 3 equal to 2, or 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. We can say like this. So division is the inverse process of multiplication. Division is the inverse process of multiplication. So one more under A divided by B. A divided by B equal to A divided by minus B equal to minus A divided by B. Minus A divided by B. A divided by 1 equal to, this is we can write like this, that equal to A. Now 5 divided by 1, or simply 5 divided by 1 we can write like this, I5 divided by 1, that equal to 5. Minus A divided by 1. Now what will happen? Minus A. So minus 5 divided by 1, that equal to minus 5. Minus 5 divided by, now next one is minus A divided by minus B, that equal to A by B. So minus A divided by minus B, minus minus cancel, that equal to A by B. Example, minus 6 by minus 3, minus minus cancel, 6 divided by 3. If you divide means 3 ones, 3 twos. Answer is 2. What is the answer for this? 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. We can take like this, isn't it? So important properties, division, what are the different properties are there? So what are the properties? A, division by 0 is not possible. So what is the important property? Division by 0 is not possible. That means A divided by 0 equal to not defined. Very, very important in further classes also we can use. A divided by 0. A divided by 0 equal to not defined. A divided by 0 equal to not defined. 3 divided by 0. This also not defined. Not defined. Next, for this reverse process, 0 divided by a, that equal to 0. 0 divided by a equal to 0. 0 divided by 5, that equal to 0. 0 divided by minus 6, that also 0. So here there are two important points. A divided by 0 equal to not defined. 3 divided by 0 not defined. So division by 0 is not possible. So what you get, division by 0 is not possible. And 0 divided by a, that equal to 0. 0 divided by a equal to 0. Isn't it? So there are two important things, don't confuse it. So division by 0, denominator 0 is there, means the result is not defined. Denominator number is there, integer is there, means that is 0. A divided by 1, that equal to a, that means 5 divided by 1, that equal to 5. Minus 6 divided by 1, that equal to minus 6. Minus 6. Then minus a divided by 1, that equal to minus a. Minus 5 divided by 1, that equal to minus 5. Minus 6 divided by 1, that equal to minus 6. Minus 12 divided by 1, that equal to minus 12. Okay, a divided by 1 equal to a. Minus a divided by 1 equal to minus a. Next, minus 3. Now write the formula. Minus a divided by minus a, that equal to 1. So minus a divided by minus a, minus minus cancel, that equal to a by a cancel, 1 by 1, that equal to 1. So minus a divided by minus a, what will happen? 1. Minus 6 divided by minus 6, that equal to 1. Minus 7 divided by minus 7, that also 1. That also 1. And example 7 sum very, very important, and class example 6 also very important question, you can go through it. Now here some questions are there. So when we go for exercise, some sums we can work out. In this exercise 1.4, first question, minus 30 divided by 15. Second one, minus 50 divided by 5. Third one, minus 60 divided by 20. Minus 40 divided by 40. Minus 60 divided by 30. Minus 50 divided by minus 25. So like this, some 6 questions are given. So how can solve this 6 type of questions? How can solve the 6 type of questions? First question, what is that? 30 divided by 15. 30 divided by 15. So minus 30 divided by 15. 15 ones, 15 twos. So answer is minus 2. Minus 50 divided by 5. 5 ones, 5 tens. Symbol is minus. 5 ones, 5 tens. Answer is minus 10. Here 0, 0 cancel. Minus 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes. So answer is minus 3. Then here minus 40 by 40. So 40, 40 cancel. Answer is minus 1. Minus 60 by 30. 0, 0 cancel. Minus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 3. That means 3 ones, 3 twos. So answer is minus 2. Now here minus 50 divided by minus 25. So both are minus are there. We are going to get cancel. 25 ones, 25. 2 by 1, that equal to 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. So in this one, another different models we can go means. So what is that? Now minus 24 divided by 2, minus 24 divided by 2 divided by 3. So first this to simplify. Minus 24 divided by 2, result divided by 3. So 2 ones, 2 12s. So minus 12 divided by 3. So minus 12 divided by 3. 3 ones, 3 fours. So the answer is minus 4. Answer is minus 4. Minus 7 plus 5 divided by minus 3 plus 1. So there are 4 numbers are there. First what they given, first this to add it, and here this to also add it after getting the first result divided by second results. So minus 7 plus 5. First result what will happen? So different symbols means we go for subtraction. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5, 2, greater symbol minus 2. For this answer came. For this minus 3 plus 1. So here also different symbols, 3 minus 1, 2, and greater symbol minus. Now minus to first value divided by second value. Now what will happen? Minus 2 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 by 2 that equal to 1. So here the sum of these two numbers divided by here the number sum of the two numbers. First result is minus 2 came. Here also second result minus 2 came. This 2 simplify means we get the answer 1. We get the answer is 1. Now in this Roman another sum they are asking. A divided by B plus C. This model is second Roman. In this second Roman, A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Like this we want to verify some different numbers they are giving. So A equal to, if you take any number, A equal to 15, A equal to 15, B equal to 1, C also 1. C also 1. Now A divided by C. A value if you take any number, or you can take A equal to minus 10, B equal to 1, C equal to 1. Now A divided by B plus C. Now A minus 10 divided by B plus C. What is the B value? 1 plus 1. Minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. So minus 10 divided by 2. 2 how many times will go? 2 1 times, 2 5 times. So the LHS value, what is that? LHS value, left hand side value. So LHS equal to minus 5. LHS value, what value came? Minus 5. Now we go for RHS value. What is RHS value? A divided by B plus A divided by B plus A divided by C. A value, what is that? RHS. If you go for RHS means A divided by B plus A divided by C. That means A value minus 10 divided by 1 plus minus 10 divided by 1. So if you write another way, 10 by 1 plus minus 10 by 1, minus 10 by 1 plus minus 10 by 1. Now what will happen? Any number divided by 1 means same number, minus 10 plus of minus 10. That means minus 10 plus into minus, minus 10 minus 10 minus 20. So finally what we can write? Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C is verified. Like this we can do different examples. And then next Roman, so 1 mark maybe chances are there. These are the questions asked in 1 mark. So what are the questions? Any number, see, 39 divided by dash equal to minus 39. So first question. Second question, minus 5 divided by 1 equal to dash. Now third question, minus 16 divided by dash equal to 4. Fourth question, minus 8 divided by dash equal to minus 2. Like this they will ask different questions. So here 39 is there divided by, answer is minus 39. So here plus clearly given. So we can take it as this is minus 1. So what will happen? Plus divided by minus, minus 31 ones are 30, 39 by 1 minus 39. So what is the answer here? The answer is minus 1. So here minus 5 divided by 1, minus 5 divided by 1 means what will happen? Minus 5. So what is the answer here? Minus 5. Now here 16 is there, here 4 is there. So what we discussed, multiplication is the inverse process of division, is the inverse process of multiplication. Division is the inverse process of multiplication. So 16 how will get? 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are, these two multiply means we get a 4 4s are 16. That means minus 6 by 4, that equal to 4. But here what is that? Minus is there. Here also we need to take minus, because minus by minus plus 4 ones 4 4s. So final answer what is equal to 4. So what is our results? Answer is minus 4. Answer is minus 4. Here minus 8 divided by some number equal to minus 2. So here 8 means what we will get? 2 4s are 8. So we can take as 4. And then here result is minus 2. Minus, here already minus 8 given. Minus by plus, that equal to minus 4 1s 4 2s. So result is minus 2. Result is minus 2. We will get like this. And then so write a pair of integers a comma b. Write a, next model question is what is that? A divided by B equal to minus 3. A divided by B equal to minus 3. Like this we need to write some pairs. Some pairs, 2 or 3 pairs we can write. So you can select A value. So 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 means answer is 3. So for that what you can take? You can take minus 9. So how can I write another way? Minus 9 divided by 3, that equal to minus 3. So answer is minus 3. So we take any a and b are any integers, then first number divided by second number means the result will be minus 3. So minus 9 divided by 3, that equal to minus 3. Like this we can write one example. Next minus 12 divided by 4, that equal to minus 3. And third example, how can write? Minus 15 divided by 5. 5 ones, 5 3s. So answer is minus 3. And the fourth one, minus 18 divided by 6. 6 ones, 6 3s. Okay, right, like this we can write different types of examples. Okay children, I hope you understood well. You can revise all the things from videos, and then last video also you can see then you can understood what is the exam portion. And today what I asked some questions in oral test, that also very useful, and then go through it. All the best children. Thank you.